Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Replit account step by step. Replit is an online coding platform that allows you to write, run, and manage code directly from your browser or desktop app. If you're new to programming or want an easy way to start coding, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, I'll open the Replit application on my computer. Now on the welcome screen, I'll click the Sign Up button. Next, Replit gives me several options to create an account. I can continue with Google, GitHub, Apple, or use my email address. For this tutorial, I'll choose Continue with Google because it's the quickest option. Now, I'll select my Google account. If a permission window appears, I'll click Continue to allow Replit to create my account. In a few seconds, Replit will finish the sign-up process automatically. If Replit asks me to choose a username or complete my profile, I'll fill in the required information and continue. Now my Replit account has been created successfully, and I'm on the Replit dashboard. From here, I can create new coding projects, explore different programming languages, and start writing code immediately. Replit also lets you save your projects online, collaborate with others, and access your work from almost any device. That's it. We've successfully created a Replit account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.